Do you need to know how to use Google Search Console? Watch this video where I show you exactly how to use it to kickstart your SEO strategy. For the best WordPress and website tools advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Tuesday. If you're feeling overwhelmed about all the information available to you in Google Search Console and have no idea where to start, by the end of this video you'll know how to find the information you need and how it can help you supercharge your website's search engine optimization. So this is the Google Search Console dashboard. In the top left hand corner here, you'll see all the properties, the different versions of your website URL listed in this drop down box. By default, the property I've set as my main one is selected, and if I click the drop down box, you'll see that my main property is the only one that displays my favicon. Now that's the little icon that you see here. That's shown in the browser tab when you visit my website, thebloggenie.com. So you'll see in the main part of the screen that there are three mini reports on view. So at the top we've got performance, and here we've got coverage, and lastly right at the bottom we've got enhancements. So I'm going to scroll back up to the top and take a look at performance. Performance shows you just how your site currently performs in search results. As you can see from my account, over the past month I've had 270 total web clicks. If I click Open Report, I'll get a much more detailed report on my site's performance. So now you can see the number of clicks against the number of impressions. Now impressions are the number of times anyone saw a link to my site in search results. This number includes links to images as well. I've also got my average click-through rate, which is currently 0.4%, and my site's average position in search results. So further down, we've got more information on clicks and impressions for other stats. So queries shows you the keywords that have been searched for before people have landed on my site, which is really useful to know so I can head back into my content and optimize it for those keywords. If I click pages, we'll see the click-through stats for individual pages, so I can find out which of my pages get most views from search engines and which don't. You'll see clicks in this column versus impressions in this column. Scroll back up. Countries. This shows my click-through data grouped by country, and the same for devices and search appearance. So now I'm going to head back to the overview and look at the coverage report. You can also access the detailed coverage report from this menu option here, just below index. So I'm going to scroll down a bit and click Open Report next to coverage. Like I did with performance, when I click Open Report I get much more detail. So this is a really useful report so that you can see if Google has had any problems indexing pages on your website. As you can see, I have some coverage issues that I need to fix. I deliberately left fixing them until after I recorded this video so that you could see what it looks like. And if you do have any coverage issues, you should get an email from Google letting you know so that you can fix them ASAP. Now there are loads of reasons that Google might not be able to index your pages. And if you're not sure how to fix them, click on them. If I scroll down here, click on that. You'll see a page like this, and when you click Learn More, it will bring you to this page which will give you information to help you fix the problem. Once you've fixed the problem, you hit the Validate Fix button and Google will look at re-indexing that page. So I'm now going to head back to the overview and scroll down right to the bottom to enhancements. Now enhancements is basically three different reports. So we've got mobile usability, products and site link search box. First, I'm going to look at mobile usability because it's hugely important these days with more and more people using mobile phones and tablets to access the internet. This report will highlight any pages you have on your website with mobile usability issues so that you can fix them. And as the same with any coverage errors, the minute Google finds a mobile usability issue, they'll send you an email so you can get in here and fix it ASAP. As you can see, I don't have any errors. There isn't much to tell you here. It'll just show you like the different numbers of valid pages on different days. So if I head back to overview, scroll down to the bottom and I hit products. Again, it's a similar report to all the others we've seen. You've got your errors. This one has valid with warnings. And again, if you have any errors and you're not sure how to fix them, click them. You get this page, click learn more, and it will help you fix it. So if I head back to overview again, scroll down to site link search box, and again I get another similar screen to the ones from before. As you can see, I don't have any warnings here, I've just got valid ones. Now, a site link search box is a box that appears within Google search results where Google allows you to search within a specific site from those search results. So the site link search box report shows you if there are any errors that might mean a page wouldn't be found using that search box. And again, if you've got an error, click it, then click learn more and you'll get some help on how to fix it. So I'm now going to head into Sitemaps, which is just here. Here you'll see any sitemaps that you've submitted previously, and that's these ones here, this one here, or you can enter another sitemap URL to be submitted for Google to reindex. Sitemaps are really useful and they tell Google exactly which pages appear on your site and how they're structured. They're especially good for really big or complex sites, but I recommend that all sites submit one. You know, because anything that makes it easier for Google to crawl your site has to be a good thing, right? And I'd love you to comment below if you've actually submitted a sitemap to your website for your website. And if you haven't, you should check out my video on how to do it. So now I'm heading down to links, which is close to the bottom of this left-hand menu. Clicking it gives me a summary of links related to my website. So here are external links. And they're basically links from other websites to mine. Internal links shows me the most linked pages from within my website. So obviously my homepage is going to be right at the top, along with things like cookies and privacy policies, because they appear on pretty much all pages. There's also some info on which are the sites that link to my site the most, and what text is used for those links. So lastly, we have settings, which is close to the bottom. And here you'll just find basic info like whether or not you're the verified owner of your site, what the users and permissions are set to, and which crawler Google uses to crawl your site. And Google decides which one is best for your site. So now you know how to find your way around Google Search Console to supercharge your SEO strategy. But what about optimizing your content as you write it? I've got a really handy checklist to make sure that your content is optimized for the keywords you've chosen to target, and you can find the link below. Also, if you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a totally free group where I share the latest WordPress and tech tools advice to help you get your website found by your ideal clients. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share it with your fellow ladies, and comment below with helpful if this video helped.